Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to analyze the movies that you made in the class. Analyze those videos. So you're going to go to Insert at the top, Movie, Insert, Movie, and you're going to need to look in whatever file or whatever folder you saved the movie in. For me, I have my Google Drive. My movie is saved in my Google Drive, and I named it Sample Drop from my cell phone. I'm going to go OK. While it's loading, notice my video, it loads in the proper orientation. The problem with Logger Pro is you cannot rotate video like you can with other analyzing software. So when I recorded the video, my cell phone was horizontal like this with my camera on the left-hand side of the screen or facing, if I'm looking at my cell phone, my video is recording sideways. So I have horizontal and I rotated my cell phone counterclockwise direction. So you need to make sure that your cell phone is recording in landscape position or horizontally rotated counterclockwise, or else you will not be able to rotate your video and then I'll have to come help you. All right, so I'm going to fast forward the movie to the point where the person holding the ball releases the ball. So I'm going to click the double black arrows going next frame. This is when this person just lets go. I'm going to click on these enable disable video analysis, these three red dots in the bottom right hand corner of the video player. Click this on. I'm going to grab the set scale button to start with and going along the length of this meter stick. This is 1 meter of distance and I hit OK. And then I'm going to click the add point right here and I'm going to track the center of the ball. I'm going to try to track the very center of the ball. Sometimes the ball is, as the ball accelerates, the frame rate of my cell phone, like everyone's cell phone, it changes. So there's a little bit of blur, but it's not a big deal. And I'm actually not going to track this point because I think the ball is hitting the ground here and it's hard to see. I would rather you need to stop tracking before the ball hits the ground. Okay, now I'm going to come over here. You can see I have X and Y, but what we care about is the vertical velocity, Vy. You can see a nice negative trend, and it looks like where I clicked, the last data point that I had, it kind of goes up, but that's okay. It's still relatively linear. So I'm going to click the linear fit, and I can see that my slope is negative 7.723 meters per second squared. So this is my acceleration value. All I need is the number though, because in the data table has the units already at the top. So that's how you analyze the video. If you have a group mate that has an Android saves to .mp4, and I find that the codec works really well. There's no compatibility issues. With iPhone, there may be some compatibility issues. So if you can, the person in the group with an Android should record this. If not, I can come show you how to use VLC to change the format. Anyways, thanks for watching and study well.